She was good. She was good. So, Mary, you start again at the beginning. Just play with it for a minute. Start again at the beginning. You need a better cue for that first turn. Don't take off quite so much. So here you've got collection on the second jump. So I would never take off running like the Blazers. You're not going to gain anything. 3 jumps, you want the dog to go fast. Okay. 2 jumps, you know, you're asking the dog to collect right there. What's the point of them going out like the Blazers? So take your time more, lead out a little more. You can be a little bit lateral.
Okay, good girl. Ready? Three. Here.
Now work the push out. Work the push out. Good. Turn, call up. Now serpentine. Cue the turn. Good.
So 2 wide.
Yay!